Here's my personal review of VidRush AI. So, VidRush AI is an artificial intelligence powered video creation tool designed to help users generate professional quality videos quickly without needing any video editing skills or experience. The platform works by allowing you to input a script, topic, or prompt, and the AI automatically generates a complete video using AI generated visuals, voiceovers, as well as background music and text overlays. This makes it particularly useful for content creators, marketers, and businesses who need to produce video content at a scale. Now, one of the standout features of VidRush AI is its speed. Videos that would normally take hours to edit manually can be generated in just a few minutes, which is a significant advantage for anyone working with tight deadlines or high content volume. The platform offers a variety of templates and styles to choose from, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your videos to match your brand or the tone of your content. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to suit your needs as well. In terms of video quality, VidRush AI produces clean and visually appealing results for the level of automation involved. The AI voiceovers sound natural compared to older text to speech tools, although they may not fully replace a real human voice for highly personal or nuanced content. One limitation worth noting is that, like most AI video tools, VidRush AI works best for straightforward informational or promotional videos. Highly creative or complex productions that require precise visual storytelling, we still need a human editor for the best results. Pricing is structured around different tiers depending on how many videos you need to create per month and what level of features you require. There is typically a free trial or entry level plan available, so you can test the platform before committing to a paid subscription. So you can just click on watch demo right here or join the waitlist for this one, and then you can also sign in with Google. Overall, I think that VidRush AI is a solid choice for anyone looking to speed up their video production workflow. It is best suited for social media content, product explainers, tutorials, and marketing videos where consistency and speed matter more than highly customized production.